The next breach won't break in, it will get installed. In the last few days, we've seen fresh reporting on malicious packages landing in npm PyPI ecosystems. That's not a developer problem anymore, it's an agent problem, and researchers are now dissecting agent failures from execution traces because the failure is usually one step: the wrong tool call, the wrong install, the wrong permission. Here's the operational reality. If an agent can install dependencies, it can install your incident. If an agent can run tools with credentials, your dependency graph is a threat graph. If you can't replay what happened, your postmortem is just a story. Predictions. 1. Near term, 30-90 days. Agent-adjacent supply chain attacks spike because attackers will target plugins, wrappers, and adapters that agents execute automatically. Implication: lock installs, updates behind approvals, and pin versions. 2. Near term, 30-90 days. Run receipts become standard because teams will stop trusting automation they can't audit. Implication: log tool calls, outbound domains, and dependency diffs per run. 3. Medium term, 6 to 18 months. Signed adapters plus permission manifests become non-optional because auditors and insurers will demand provable boundaries once agents hold credentials and budgets. Implication: design agents like IAM, least privilege, expiring tokens, continuous attestation. Question: if your agent installed a breach tonight, would you even know where it entered?